Hello everyone. I finally got the belt on this old lathe and got it all mounted and everything. And take a look here. I mounted it on curly maple and I bolted on 4 square blocks with leather underneath, and now I'm going to cut for the first time and we'll get a good look at that. Let's see what happens here. This is the first time I've used this. We'll see what happens. Got this motor here. It's pretty nice. It's quiet. Try not to block the light. It's several different speeds. It's nice and smooth. I'll probably try it 1 notch more. It goes up pretty good. I'll probably try it right there. Oh, I see my wedge. I moved to my... Oh, I have this table wedged up here. Alright. We'll see what happens. I'm going to give it 1 more notch here. Okay, let's see here. Face that out. Not bad. Oh yeah, I like that. Boy, that's nice. Yeah, I really like that. This is nice and quiet. Let me see how it turns on a slower speed. Beautiful. Take a little bigger chip there. Oh yeah, that's nice and quiet. Beautiful. Well, take Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Hey, this is going to work out real nice for me. Putting a lot of it together. It's finally coming about. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be making some more. I've got a nice project with this lathe, and that's why I put it all together. I've had 3 Watchmaker lathes. Counting this one. I gave my last one away, and I keep going back to my South Bend 9-inch lathe, and somebody always talks me out of the small ones, but I'm not letting this one go. I'm going to keep it, and I've got a lot of work to do on it. And I hope you all have a happy and safe 4th of July weekend. I'm going to go upload this video now. So we'll catch you later. Goodbye.